Hidden in the woods behind this antennae is an abandoned anti-aircraft operations room bunker. They originated in the late 1930s, and there was a chain of them throughout the UK. They merged data from radar and observer corps and filtered it for a giant command table to coordinate searchlights and guns. They were rendered obsolete by 1956 by the advent of a guided missile. After 1956, it became the British Telecom headquarters bunker for Wales in the event of a nuclear attack. New dormitories were added with air conditioning, canteens, but by the 1970s it was abandoned before it was completed.
Let's see what's in here.
In the 1990s, it was gutted by fire from arsonists. Things we need to find out, as if we can get past any security to get into the facility. Can we get inside the bunker, or is it all closed in? And quite importantly, once we're inside, is it safe?
We have to pass through here.
Watch on to find out what we find when we get there.
Let's try see. Let's see if we can get in there now. The door's welded, is it? Yeah. That looks like we're going to be in.
I'll follow you because
Right. Just see if I can climb up into you. Gotta get in through that hatch up there somehow. So I can do it. Right. We're gonna try and get in here now. Well, I'm sure Liam can do a better job of getting in here than me. Yeah, so I did it forwards, and then once you're halfway down then... Yeah, the ladder's pretty good. There's a little bit of jagged bits in it, but... And let's have a look. What can we see in here? Christ, this place is big. It's like a labyrinth. There's like a staircase going up. Some kind of electrical box there. Nothing in there. Infected inside. Don't die. I think must be the one. Oh, there's an upstairs. It must be welded from the other side.
oh, where I'm there.
Yeah, we've got the stairs in a minute. Oh, what's in here? Looks like some kind of room that was once used for some air conditioning. Air filtration system was in here. It's like some kind of turbine here. Some kind of control panel. Test alarms. Natural response. Entering control cubicle. Yeah. I imagine this in its heyday. Must have been huge. Should we push on through the next bit? I don't think we've been in this bit before.
No, but
Oh yeah, it leads into...
yes, the way in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, round the back where we were before. Should we go upstairs? Okay. Oh, imagine this in its heyday. Must have been huge. Should we push on through the next bit? I don't think we'll use those stairs. I don't look all that steady. Wow. Look at these windows here. Wow. It's colossal in here. This must have been the operations room. Probably have been a big table here directing all the anti-aircraft stuff. The big windows up here. Oh, imagine this in its heyday. Must have been huge. Should we push on through the next bit? I don't think we'll use those stairs. I don't look all that steady. There's more stairs there.
I think it goes all the way around. Infinite. Hallway.
Yeah. The window, the gallery windows up there. It's all burnt.
Is my torch actually helping?
I can't see much.
Try and get back there.
Yeah, that chair's creepy. So I used to keep the torture victim in there. You will stay underground forever. Ha, 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 ha.
From World War II. There's like 50,000 beds or something down there.
Oh,
And each tunnel's a mile long. And it's 3 floors.
so through here we gotta go to get out. No, ridiculous. Stuff here.
Hopefully.
So yes, it's kind of a bit panicking. I need to find our way out. How do we get out of here? Oh no, I thought it would be there, but obviously not.
Well, that's the staircase we didn't want to walk on.
Yeah.
Got to go in and turn left or something.
Oh, this is a control room again.
Are we going to the way out?
Yeah.
It'll be that way and then left.
Oh yeah.
Because we came in
Came through this way.
behind this wall here.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, it could be. We'll be wandering around forever.
Let's go.
No. Oh. As they say, after seeing that fungus, always trust a guy who eats mushrooms, because he's a fun guy. That's just a storage thing under the stairs here. There's remains of a sleeping bag. I don't know if you can see it. And boots of some description as well. I remember this bell.
No, it's not this one.
We came through here, didn't we? This must be that one down there. Oh, I'm sure we came through here. No, couldn't be.
Did you go in here?
Oh, there's all shells and stuff in here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes, loads and loads of shells and racking.
Sleeping bag, which is a bit scary.
Yeah, someone's got some metallic paint down here for some reason. I remember this bell.
No, it's not this one.
We came through here, didn't we? This must be that one down there. Oh, I'm sure we came through here. No, couldn't be.
Did you go in here?
Oh, there's all shells and stuff in here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes, loads and loads of shells and racking.
Sleeping bag, which is a bit scary.
Panic over. I think we found the exit now. As if you. Right, let's see how I get. And as we get out through here, it should be interesting. See, I'm going to get out through here, and then down through that gap there. This is going to be fun. Oh, shit. Oh, bloody hell, this is hard. The walls are so thick. Oh, fucking hell. And now I'm going to get in here. Oh, shit. How am I going to do this?
I've driven past this site hundreds of times on the M4, and I never knew what was under these giant antennae. It's only when we stop to notice we realise how much of our history was all around us and is just underneath our feet, waiting to be discovered.